It's about that time. Fall is right around the corner, and I want to show you guys something. Follow me. This right here is one of 2 trees on the property that I thought were crab apples, which aren't very good to eat. But they're not crab apples. They're actually much bigger. And I've been eating them every day. And I'm gonna pick some of these and we're gonna make something out of them. So, let's go ahead and take some of these. Zeke likes to play catch with them. I gotta say, I was here last year and no apples grew. I don't know if anybody can identify what kind of apple this is. There's a bunch of them. And up higher, there's a bunch. Look at that one. That one looks good. No pesticides, no chemicals. I need a ladder. Like, I want them to get more ripe, but I also don't want the bugs to get them. We got a whole bowl of them. We'll cut these up. We'll make something out of them. Looks good to me. Let's go.
Cooking with the vegan zombie.
Okay, we have our apple crumble here with homegrown apples. So let's grab some of that. Throw it over there on that plate. It smells so good, by the way. We need some ice cream with it, so I'm gonna have a scoop of Oatly. Just put that right there on the top. Just like that. So this was super easy to make. As you can see, I used the Biscoff cookie crumbles, which are super good. I could even sprinkle some more on top, just like that. And I decided to go with some Oatly salted caramel because caramel fall is right around around the corner. And here it is. Now, I didn't go for any specific kind of apple other than the apple that is growing right here in my yard. Let's see how it tastes. Let's get a little bit of that ice cream. As you can see, nice topping. Topping to apple ratio, perfect. Let's go for it. You already know what I'm about to say, so I'm not even gonna say it. Make this, subscribe, and watch out for zombies. All right, and this is super good for you because it's got like oatmeal in it and apples, and it's vegan. How did I catch that?